historical victory. It's a historical day, not just for the people of Trivandrum and the Karyakartas of Trivandrum, but for every Karyakarta of BJP NDA across the state, because we have made very, very significant strides in our vote share, in our political footprint, in across the state, in many, many local bodies. We are today in hardcore areas of the LDF and the UDF. BJP and the NDA have made gains, and that those gains are not short-term gains; those are permanent gains. And I think this will stand in good stead for the coming assembly election, because this assembly election, this local body election, has certainly established one thing, that the left is out of the picture. That the LDF is something that the BJP, the people of Kerala don't want anymore. It is a certain clear message, and that now the option is between the NDA and the UDF in the coming assembly election.
In this election, when we look, BJP has put a lot of seats from the LDF. Right now, we are currently saying that there's a deal happened between LDF and BJP. So how are you going to respond to that?
Look, I have a simple rule of not responding to Congress on anything, because whatever they say usually is nonsense. This is a fight. We had a fight. We were the first ones and the ones consistently to attack the LDF for their corruption and for their malgovernance. The Congress is the one who was in the India alliance in 27 states and 8 union territories with the CPM. So the Congress should not try and mislead the people of Kerala into believing something other than the truth. That if any party today is doing any cross-voting with anybody, it is the Congress with the CPM. And if you want an example of that, go take a look at Kodungalur results, where Congress, which used to get 200, 300 votes per booth, have been reduced to 25 votes per booth, because they have transferred the entire votes to the LDF. So the Congress better not open their mouth, because a lot of embarrassing truths will come out otherwise.